the model trees concept in this model tree and views. So that is listed down like here. You may see the style of the font is kind of a difference. We will explain what's the real effect for that. Concept in model tree is this one. So what that mean is can be added to any number of diagram view in the model by dragging that. So we have tried this on this test view. And if I make our new view, so that is the view 3. So is these capabilities we can see the analysis used on first view already. I can drag that to the third view. Then when I click that, is now used in 3 view. So that is just a drag and drop. When the concept has been added or used in a view, the font will become this normal font. However, if a font element or concept not exist in the model tree or not used in any view is shown in the italic. Let's read again. If the concept only exists in the model tree. So let's look at what are the italic. This one is italic. This one is italic. Compared to this one, you see the difference. So this one used in view is put is some this actual use and model with our relationship. This one 3 view 2 relationship. This one 1 view 1 relation, 1 view no relation. But as long as it will be used by 1 view, it will have our this normal. But if it's not used by any view, like this motivation requirements, it's empty. But if I drag that into a view, then it gets normal because now it's used by 1 view. Let's look at is if I'm putting some relationship, whatever, realize. So it has used in 1 view and have 1 relationship. And now I can remove, delete from view. So it's not delete from the model. So this one is still in our model, but when you click that, is back to the italic again. So the italic or normal difference is only valid. The make sense is when this element is in a view or not. It's not make the difference if this element has any relationship or not. So this is the typical sample is compared to this one. This one is not used in view, not has any relationship connect to that element. This one now is has no view used but has 1 relationship. But because this relationship linked to this element not in any view used, so the element is getting the this italic, as well as is this relationship is also become italic. So that concept means element or the relationship. So that is the ways you may try to check is if there's any italic things. Sometimes is maybe that is means are garbage in your the model because nobody used that, and you can make some checking or clean up mechanism or policies. If we check nobody knows this element anymore and no one use that and no make sense to keep that to your repository or your model. So that makes it convenient to see the which one is not used by any view so that you can do the cleanup. So with that is we have done this 5.7. So let me back to our this guiding pages. Next one, we will talk about the synchronization selection in the model tree and the view. So see you then. Bye for now.